First, check that you have the correct model for your vehicle. Next, disconnect your battery. Plug the unit into your accelerator pedal and install the remote control. Reconnect your battery. Test that the remote control is working. Now it's time to install the app. On the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, search for Boost Speed Next and install the app. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth and pair with the Boost Speed Next. Use the app to swap between modes. Drive mode, with 14 steps of throttle response. Eco mode. Anti-slip. Anti-theft. And ramble idle mode. Now it's time to enjoy a better driving experience.